Let's cook okwa. I soaked it overnight, so now I'm going to take it to my sink and wash it really well. Add enough water to wash. We are done washing. Now, over here is my ngo. I'm going to sieve my ngo with this. Sieve it. Now, this is the only water you need to cook your okwa. I'm going to transfer it here. Now I'm going to cover and allow it to cook. Here are the only ingredients you need for your okwa porridge if you want to make it porridge. Sweet corn, pepper, oba, good palm oil and salt. So I'm using frozen corn. I will go ahead and transfer in my pot and allow it to steam cook for 6 minutes on a medium heat. I'm going to add a little bit more. Just half, like so. I'm going to cover this. I'm going to cover and steam cook on a medium to low heat because I'm not going to add water. Just steam cook for 8 minutes on a medium to low heat. Now let's check on our okwa. Let's check. Look at that. If it's soft. Now this is soft and soft. Look at that. Now I'm going to sieve it. Now here is the water. This is the okwa. Now let's make the porridge. In a pot I will add palm oil. Good palm oil. I'm going to add my sweet corn. My chopped pepper, oba. I'm going to add salt. No seasoning cube or any sort of spices or whatsoever. It's all natural ingredients. You don't need all those spices that you use to cook stew or other types of food. Okwa is a natural food that requires natural ingredients. Now I'm going to add the okwa. More. I'm going to stir very well to combine. you guys. All done. See that? Very fluffy. Soft like butter. Melt in your mouth. Absolutely delicious. This is natural food. Ukwa. African breadfruit. All done. Bring your plates. I don't want you to miss on this one. African breadfruit with natural ingredients. No iron, no maggi, no thyme, no curry. Just natural. So good. We are done cooking.